Welcome to another episode of Janitorial Contracts Academy. What we do here is help individuals to generate cleaning contracts for your business. Here at Janitorial Contracts Academy, it's very simple. All we do is submit proposals on behalf of your cleaning service so that you can generate the cleaning contracts that you need to take your business to the next level. That's all we do. How do we submit proposals? And a better question is, what is a proposal? Well, a proposal is a document that consists of three elements. One is it consists of what you're going to do for the customer or client. What type of cleaning you're going to do. How often you're going to service that client, whether it's 5 days a week, 3 days a week, 1 day a week, and what are you going to charge for the services that you provide for the client. Now, let's take, for instance, the proposal is worth $2,500 per month. Well, at what time do that proposal becomes a contract? Well, once the customer signs that proposal, it immediately becomes a contract. So now a $2,500 a month contract is worth almost $30,000 a year. Now, how many $30,000 a year contracts do you need to make $1 million? Do the math. It's very simple. You don't need that many. 30 contracts is paying almost $30,000 a month. You're looking at almost $900,000. In the cleaning industry, it's worth $140 billion a year industry. It's a huge industry. It's recession proof because everywhere you go in America, people or construction companies are currently building new projects, new buildings. They're constantly building. So who's going to have to do the cleaning? Why not it be your cleaning service? There are a lot of room for millionaires in this industry, so why not you become a millionaire? That's our goal, is to help you do just that. So we thank you for joining me on this episode. Look forward to some more tidbits and tips on how to take your cleaning business to the next level on our next episode. Thank you.